Welcome back, guys. Another day at the shop. It's freezing outside. It's -1°C. I'll show you in a minute. So see, it's a lot of snow. So the snow brought some problems. We couldn't pull some trailers in and out. Yeah, but if you have snow in your area, you know what it's all about. Today, a short one. We have some more unpacking to do. A first for me personally. It's gonna go on the JZX. I'll show you what it is. I never had this on any of my race cars. I never really needed it on those cars, but I decided to do this on the JZX just to make it more reliable. So let's go check it out. So we received this one this week. Comes out of good old Canada. Nice country. If you've ever been there, you know. Nice people, good stuff. So this one's from Serialnine. They do some nice parts. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Let's open it up. Ching, 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 ching. Some nice stickers. Thank you, guys. Some legal notice. We don't need that. Instructions, which might already give it away. Some more parts they have. They have some nice stuff. I especially like the CD09 adapter bell housing they have. I think it's a proper kit, and I really like the idea of having a proper bell housing. But I'm not in the market for a CD09, so I don't need that stuff. So what do we have in here? We have some lines. Oh, we have some nice adapters with brackets. That's a good one. We have some Wilwood calipers. Oh, they're beefy. Oh, some pads already in there. Oh, that's gonna be super nice. So we have some Wilwood calipers, 2 of them, some adapter brackets to get it all done. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. And the lines to adapt them. Ooh, this is gonna be super nice. So yeah, thank you Serialnine for sending this stuff through. If you need anything from them, hit them up. We don't get any discounts, but they have proper stuff. I like what they do. Unfortunately, they had a really nice Aristo, which they crashed. But I'm looking forward to see what they're gonna do in the future, which new car they're bringing out. I've seen some pictures, but we'll see what it be. Serialnine, cool guys. Make sure to give them a subscribe, like what they do. So on this, why did I switch to a dual caliper hydraulic e-brake setup on the JZX? I tried to make the stock e-brake working properly. It probably would have worked out in the long run. I had one test with it with decent pads on it, some Project Moon D1s. It worked decent, but it was like a little bit on and off. I have the same thing on my PS13. I never switched to a hydraulic e-brake on that one, neither. But I always needed some time to warm them up to make it run properly, and once or twice it fucked me up in battles when it didn't work properly, and on this car I just don't want to take chances. So that's why we ordered this one. Why did I go to a twin caliper setup and not an inline setup? I drove inline setups, but I just don't like the adjustment in the foot pedal when you pull on the e-brake. It kind of messes with your foot pedal, and I really don't like that. I want to have my foot pedal just for the regular brakes as it is. Me personally, I just like it much more if I don't have any interference in the system. So that's why I went with a twin caliper setup, and I always think it's the best way to go if you want to go with a hydraulic e-brake. There is a lot of cars you don't need a hydraulic e-brake. As said, I drove competition for now 10 years with no hydraulic e-brake. There's cars where the stock e-brake system works quite well. On the S chassis you can make it work really well, just adjusting your brake pads. And maybe have some extenders on the e-brake. BMWs on the other hand, their stock system just doesn't really work. On the JZXs, I had the stock system in all the JZXs I had so far. It worked quite well. I never had any issues, but on this, since it's going to be a proper pro drift car, taking chances is not a thing I want to do on this one. So yeah, we switched to this one. I think this is probably the nicest kit out there, which is readily available to us without doing custom stuff. I like how they do it. It retains the stock e-brake system if you want to keep it. I won't, but still I think that's a good thing to have, especially if it's a street car. I like how they set up the brackets and all that stuff. Yeah, so for me this was the one to go to. I looked into some other ones too, but then it would have just been the brackets and so on, and you would have to get some Nissan rear calipers. We would have had enough Toyota calipers in stock, but I think the Wilwood ones will work just fine. They're not that expensive, so we hopped on it and ordered this one. So yeah, that's about it for today. I hope you liked it. We'll show you more as soon as we have this installed. As we speak, the e-brake is getting fabricated into the car, so it is in a good position. I'll show you more on that as soon as the car is back from fabrication. I'll show you an install video on the e-brake stuff. As soon as we have it here, we'll have to set up some extra lines. I'll show you how that works. We have some good stuff coming in there too. Yeah, if you have any questions, put it in the comments here, or drop us a direct message, an email, call us up, whatever. Make sure to subscribe to the video, make sure to like, and stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.